Well, hello, cutie patooties. It's Miss P. You've been following me for quite a while on social media. Why are you not in class? Is it because you think you're too old, too fat, too uncoordinated? You got two left feet, no rhythm? Bull dinky. Get your ass in class. Enough of the negative self-talk. I'm not going to be here forever. You're not going to be here forever. So don't wait. You deserve to belly dance. You don't need to look like Shakira and all these people. No. You need to look like you and do you. And I promise that I can teach you. Can't do much other things in this world. I can't cook. I'm not good at math. Don't ask me to decorate a house. Not happening. But I can teach me some belly dance. And I am super good about bringing joy and light and movement to my people. This is what I was put on this planet for. And I want you to experience it. I'm teaching a workshop this Sunday, 2 o'clock to 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's 90 minutes. It's going to be filmed. It's going to be in person and live on Zoom. It's $30. Everybody will get a copy of it. Get in. We are going to do the ABCs of belly dance from the toes to the nose. We're going to talk about muscles, about posture, about connection. You're going to sweat. Yes. I don't want any more excuses. No more excuses. It's time. I'm ready for you. Come. Stop watching me while you're laying in bed and on your couch. Get your butt up and let's dance. Okay. Bye. See you there. The link below. Click the link below.